Hello everybody, and I'm sorry I've been away for a while, but I hope I'm back now to do doll reviews and other stuff. I got my hands on another two of these beautiful Xian Xian Princess dolls. So let's open them together and see what happens. I hope they're cool, I don't know. They look good. But the package is a bit smashed from one of the dolls, so I hope they are both okay. If you hear something whining in the background, it's my dog Lucas. So I just open them step by step and do some cuts. Okay, so I was happy to see that both of the dolls had a cute thank you letter with the stickers on them, and they are really cute, and I use them for scrapbooking. I will. And this doll, she's so beautiful. She really is, and she looks like an Integrity Toys doll a bit, but these Xian Xian Princess dolls, they are like a new brand. And the other doll also had cute stickers with it, cinnamon roll, or yes, they're cute. They're very cute, and it's a nice touch. And she also is so stunning. I really love pink hair, so but let's see if the joints are okay, because sometimes they feel a bit frail. Is that the word? And look at these dolls. They are so stunning, so beautiful. I really am amazed. I think they are so beautiful, both of them. And the pink hair is it's okay quality. It's not the best, but it's absolutely not the worst. It's better than usual dolls. And look at her. She has braids. I didn't notice that at first, but it's a really good look. It looks great, feels great, and she is so stunning. Look at her. And I really love these dolls. They are so beautiful. It's a good buy. I bought them from Temu, and they were like $20 or something. It was like something like that, like 220 crowns, Swedish crowns. But they are really beautiful. I have 4 of these now, and I really love them. They are so beautiful. I hope I won't get flagged for like nudity or something in this video, because I don't know with YouTube sometimes. They are dolls, so I hope it's okay. But there was one thing here. The joints weren't okay on this doll. It's like snapped a bit when I tried to bend the leg, the knee, and I don't know if I did the wrong way, but the other doll had great joints and the arms were okay, but you have to be like really careful and put them in place when you bend the knees and the arms and the joints the first time, because they feel like they are stuck, and I think they might be like freshly made, so I don't know, because the package says March 2025, and so I think they are like produced just after order or something. I don't know, but I'm very happy with this purchase, and I was happy about the stickers as well, because I think it's cute. But so Xian Xian Princess dolls, and I really like them. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you will be back to watch my other videos in the future, whatever they will be. So thank you so much. Bye bye.